The true meaning of real success. In today's fast-paced, achievement-driven world, success is often equated with wealth, fame, or power. Social media platforms showcase luxurious lifestyles, exotic vacations, and grand awards, reinforcing the idea that success lies in external accomplishments. But if we pause and look deeper, we realize that real success is far more profound than material gains. It is personal, meaningful, and rooted in growth, purpose, and contribution. Real success begins with knowing oneself. It requires asking difficult questions. Who am I? What do I value? What impact do I want to leave behind? Many people chase careers or goals imposed by society or family, only to find themselves feeling empty even after achieving them. In contrast, those who pursue paths aligned with their passions and values often find a deeper sense of fulfillment. For instance, a teacher inspiring young minds, a nurse caring for patients, or a parent raising children with love may not receive global recognition, but their contributions are invaluable. They are successful because they live with purpose. Moreover, real success involves resilience, the courage to rise after failure. Every journey has obstacles. Failures are not the opposite of success but stepping stones toward it. People like Thomas Edison, Oprah Winfrey, and J.K. Rowling faced numerous setbacks before achieving their dreams. What set them apart was not just talent, but their unwavering determination. Real success lies in learning from failures, adapting, and continuing to move forward despite challenges. Another key aspect of true success is inner peace. Many high achievers, despite their fame or fortune, suffer from stress, anxiety, or dissatisfaction. Success without peace of mind is hollow. True success means waking up each day with a sense of gratitude, sleeping at night with a clear conscience, and living a life free from constant comparison or regret. It's about being content with what you have while striving to become better, not for competition, but for self-growth. Equally important is the ability to uplift others. Real success is not selfish. It's measured not just by what we achieve, but by how we impact those around us. A successful person empowers others, shares knowledge, and contributes to the betterment of society. As the saying goes, success is not about how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. Finally, real success is lifelong. It doesn't end with a promotion or an award. It evolves as we grow. In different stages of life, success may mean different things: learning a new skill, healing from a loss, helping someone in need, or simply being a better version of oneself. In conclusion, real success cannot be measured solely in numbers, possessions, or titles. It is a quiet, steady flame that lights up when we live authentically, persevere through challenges, find inner peace, and make meaningful contributions to others. It is personal, lasting, and deeply fulfilling, the kind of success that touches hearts and leaves a legacy that truly matters.